Understanding the phrase, idle hands. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into a commonly used phrase in the English language, idle hands. By the end of this video, you'll know what it means, its origins, and how to use it in sentences. Let's get started. Idle is an adjective in English that describes something not active or in use. When we refer to a person as idle, it means they are not busy or are doing nothing. Hands are, of course, the part of our bodies at the end of our arms. So, idle hands literally translates to hands that are not busy or doing nothing. You might often hear the phrase in its entirety, idle hands are the devil's workshop, or idle hands are the devil's playthings. This proverb suggests that people who have nothing to do are more likely to get into trouble or mischief. The underlying idea is that when our hands, and by extension, ourselves, are not occupied with work or some task, it leaves room for negative or mischievous thoughts and actions. Let's see how this phrase can be used in sentences. 1. Ever since Joe lost his job, he's been getting into all sorts of trouble. Idle hands, I guess. 2. My grandmother always said to keep busy. She believed that idle hands were an invitation for mischief. 3. During the summer break, it's essential to keep the kids engaged with activities. Idle hands can lead to all sorts of unnecessary chaos. While the phrase has its origins in religious contexts, linking idleness with temptation and sin, in modern times, it's used more broadly to convey the idea that keeping oneself busy is generally productive and beneficial. It's less about the devil, and more about the dangers of idleness in general. There you have it. The phrase, idle hands, serves as a reminder of the potential pitfalls of inactivity. Whether you believe in the proverbial connection to mischief or just see it as a push towards productivity, it's a handy phrase to know and use. We hope you found this explanation helpful. Stay curious and keep learning.